Hi, Veronica. Here's your girl, Ophelia. I think she wants to play.
She does.
Aww. Come here, girl. Let's see your pretty face. Ophelia, come here. Come here. Come here. Show me your pretty face. Can you sit? Say Veronica, I have kennel cough. Aw, you're so cute. Yeah, kisses for Veronica. Kissies. Mwah.